Hello friends, I hope you will be in good condition of health and doing very well. In this video, I have brought very fascinating and very stylish and latest art for church. In this video, you will see lots of ideas about upcoming fashion trend and church art, which you can get style different church outfit. I hope you will enjoy this video. So keep watching till and so you can get all the latest and beautiful ideas about church hats which I have sharing in this video. Very amazing and very fascinating collection of church art you will see in this video. So I suggested you to watch the video till have the all the great idea, all the get ideas. How did you find this video? You do not forget to give me your feedback in comment section. And if you new here and watching this video for the first time, do not subscribe on my channel and press the bell icon as well as so every time when I upload the video you will get notification. You will watch on the upcoming videos. Friends, this channel is about latest and upcoming fashion trends, latest and leather dress, footwear collection, as well as business dress. So must connect my channel are the latest and upcoming ideas. Keep watching to these videos till are the stylish, fashionable ideas about church hats. I will see to next video. I hope you will enjoy these beautiful hearts and look charming, graceful and attractive, which are very beautiful. I hope you will enjoy this video. I will see the next video. Tell them take care and bye bye.